Hello, in today's video about the Mercedes W126 I will show you how to remove the rear door handle on this car, just in case you need to remove it to paint the door or whatever reason. Okay, you will see it's very easy. It takes only not even a minute. Okay, but let's watch that right away. So what we will need for that very simple job, very few tools. We will need a star screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, large head if you can have it. We will need a very small screwdriver, flat head, no need of a big one, a small one is fine. And we will use as well, if you got a magnet, the magnet, we'll use it to stuck it on the screwdriver. If you got that, then you can remove it. You'll see, very easy, it takes only a few seconds. To remove the door handle, we will need to open the door, and here, if you look, we've got a little plastic part that's round. We'll remove it using the flat screwdriver, the small one. Okay, you see, we've got the part. Now we've got access to a screw that we're gonna be removing with the screwdriver. See, very easy. But now we don't want the screw to fall inside, so we will place that magnet on the screwdriver, and now the screw won't fall inside. You see, I've got a screw on the tip of my screwdriver. Okay, now the job is nearly done. Let's continue. Now to remove the door handle is very easy. You can do it with the door open or the door closed, it doesn't matter. What we need to do, we need to pull the handle towards the front of the car. Okay, as you can see, it moved, and now we pull it out, and that's it. You see, very easy. Okay, so now obviously you'll think you can't open the door, but yes you can. If you have a look at the latch, this goes towards the front when we open it, so you've got it here. So if you just pull it, now the door open. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Okay, to replace it is basically the same thing. We're just gonna place this part first. You see, it hook inside, and then we push it in. Okay, once it's fully flushed in, we push it back. It's in its place. Now we're gonna use our famous screwdriver with the magnet. We place our screw here and we push it in. Make sure you get the angle right, if not you'll be struggling to put it back in. Okay, okay, done. Now we place back the cap and it's done. So I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. See ya.